Me and Ellie have been friends, for a really long time, and that's actually how I found out about RevitalyzeMD. I love coming here. I love getting to catch up with Ellie. I love the environment, all of the people. They're really nice. They always make me feel really welcomed. The experience here is really nice too. The acne facial treatment that I get, it's really relaxing, and I always come out of it feeling better about myself. I feel more confident, and I always just really want to come back. I'm really excited to try dermaplaning today. A lot of my active breakouts have gone away, and my acne has really, improved over the past couple of months. So I'm really excited to try dermaplaning and come out with these products, better to hit my skin better now with the dermaplaning after. So I'm really excited to experience that at Revitalize. Since coming to RevitalyzeMD, I've gotten to try a lot of new products. I really love the ZO Gentle Cleanser, and Ellie also introduced me to the toner pads as well. There's a wide variety of products to choose from, and that has also made my skincare routine a lot better as well. For anyone struggling with acne or just wanting to improve their skincare concerns and habits, I would definitely recommend RevitalizeMD.